Hi, it's Carol Clark, your bariatric business coach, and I get asked a lot on what is on the inside of Bariatric Business Boss, the membership site. So I'm going to take an opportunity right now to show you exactly what is waiting for you within this membership. If you're listening to this on iTunes or Stitcher or another audio platform, you can find this video on my YouTube channel, Weight Loss Practice Builder, within YouTube, and then just look for the episode on Bariatric Business Boss. So I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like once you sign up for Bariatric Business Boss. And what will happen is you'll get an email with your login information and a link to the site so you can log in. And once you get to the site and you log in, you'll have access to everything immediately. So once you get on the inside, it's actually operated through a program called Kajabi, and there is an awesome app that you can download on any other device as well. It's just the Kajabi app, Kajabi, and you use that same login information. You can access this anywhere on your computer, on your phone, any portable device. So it's really awesome. So once you get on the inside, it's so easy to use. You'll just click on your Bariatric Business Boss. This is your home library because sometimes you may have purchased other things from me or been in other programs, and so those would all show up right here in this site. But you click on Bariatric Business Boss and it takes you to the main page for Bariatric Business Boss. And here, what you'll find is you can actually track the progress of your courses, even though you'll have access to everything at all times. And when you get in, you'll actually have a welcome video that you can click on that actually is me talking to you about Bariatric Business Boss and how to navigate the site in the best way and how to get the most out of your membership. The next section here is weekly business trainings. I come in here every single week live on Wednesdays at noon. I send out a link to that training, but everyone's busy in their practices. It doesn't matter if you're there live. Of course, it's great because you can ask live questions. But if not, you just come right on in here, and usually within 24 hours, I've got the training all uploaded along with any applicable tools or PDFs or things that go along with it. So you can see here, we've been up and running for a bit, and we've got some great practices in here. It's been such an honor to work with you and to help you actually move forward, because as you know, you not only get these weekly trainings, but you also get monthly turnkey marketing plans. You get weekly tip sheets and recipes that you can share with your patients. I'm going to show you all that. You also can email me anytime to have me look at something that you want me to take a peek at. And you also have access to me one-on-one every single month, so we can go ahead and make sure that you are implementing everything that you and your team are learning through Bariatric Business Boss. So here is a sampling of some of the weekly business trainings that we have. How to design your ideal future, which is when you're in your planning stage. Metrics that can make or break a bariatric practice. The one thing that helps you and your patients the most. 5 effective strategies for doubling your nutrition store sales. How to get organic reach on social media. How to easily create graphics. And time management tips. So all these are right in here, and I'm in here, like I say, live every single week. So whenever you get in here, you just can click on that particular item and you watch the video, and oftentimes there's a PDF to go along with it, which is right here as a download. Once it's complete, you can mark it as complete and you move right on into the next training. Or you can just pick and choose the ones that you want to go through in terms of the older ones, and then just keep up to date with the new ones that come along each and every week. Like I say, I do it live on Wednesdays. I send you out a link. It's the same link though every single week for your weekly training. So we try to keep it non-complicated. And either you or a team member, anyone can log in live, as I mentioned, or if not, come in here and catch the training shortly thereafter. We also have weekly tip sheets and recipes. The great thing about this, look, there's 14 weeks worth already. So you have this whole, almost like a whole volume that you can pick from to go ahead and increase your communication with your patients. You can send them this monthly newsletter. When you open up each one, it actually pulls it up. You can download it here by clicking on the download and then just customize it with your logo and your website, and you are good to go. You can even take the content that's in here and you can just take pieces of it. You can share that as a blog post. You can use it as quotes for the week. You can do so many different things with this, and the recipes are right there ready and waiting for you. So you already have 14 weeks worth in here. So that is an awesome item in there as well. Besides that, I have monthly marketing ideas and plug and play marketing resources for you. Just as an example, in January, we had a social media marketing plan. So you can download this whole thing. And then I actually created a whole video showing you how to maximize use of this source. It's a whole entire month of social media marketing done for you. It gives you the prompts for what to write about, gives you graphics that you can customize. I even have in this video exactly how to customize a graphic, and it's all just right here ready for you to plug and play and use. In December, we had revenue generating strategic plan for nutritional store retail sales. In November, a marketing plan all written out, ready to deploy for attracting diabetic patients. In October, a marketing plan for attracting self-pay patients. And I just add on to this each and every month with a plug and play marketing plan or way to increase your reach, way to increase your sales, way to attract more patients, how to get more referrals. There's something new coming every single month. In addition to that, you, as I mentioned, can schedule a call with me each and every month. You just click on schedule a call and you go ahead and pick out, when you click let's connect, you can actually go ahead and get that on the schedule. So you can go ahead and just go ahead and mark that and go in and schedule a call with me. Let me know when you can meet. And lots of other ways to stay connected, and it has all my links to all my daily posts that I do with educational materials for you on LinkedIn and on Facebook and all over the place. We also have a whole section of bonus content. Retail Store in a Box is just what it says. It tells you everything you need in order to start your retail store. Sample medical weight loss program sales sheets, sample surgical program sales sheets, how surgeons can negotiate a winning weight loss surgery self-pay price with your institution, your healthcare system, and also my favorite social media tools to make your life easier. Those are just bonus content that's just sitting in here waiting for you, and it is all ready to go. And if you have questions about it, you want to go ahead and sign up, there are such awesome practices in here already, and it continues to grow. And I take your request for content and any other trainings, and I put it right into use. You have access to me, like I mentioned. Just go to bariatricbusinessboss.com and you can go ahead and sign up there. And it has a description about everything that's included. It is the most least expensive but biggest bang for your buck investment that you can make for your business. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside. In the meantime, take care, and I wish you nothing but the best in your practice. I can't wait to help you. Go to bariatricbusinessboss.com and let's get started. Take care.